Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Coding Cart. So in this session I'll be talking about few string method from Python. The first one is title method and the second one is title method. Here I'll be explaining you with few examples so that it will be more clear. So let us see the first method, which is title method. So this title method doesn't take any parameters and it returns a title cached version of the string. It means that the first character of each word is capitalized. So let me take one example. Let me take one string as s equal to I'm taking as my name is Khan. So you can see here the very first word is in a small. You can see here the very first character is small. This one is also small and this one is also small. And if I use this title method s dot title, and if I print this one, let me print here. So what it does, it will simply capitalize this each character. So you can see here this M got capitalized, N, I and K. So every word first character is being capitalized here. So if I write here, if I change it to numeric, suppose 1, 2 and then name, then also it will just capitalize this N. So you can see here, let me take another example here. This is the first one. Let me take this one as here. Now if I write here 12, so you can see here the output is, see here, 12 is left as it is and N is changed to capital N. So it simply capitalized all the first character of the word. So for another examples, suppose I am again copy it and paste it. If I change here like 1, 2, name, and between this if I change 1, 3, so what it does, it will change this N to capital and again it will change this M to capital. You can see here, you can see here the output is this M is changed to caps. Again you can see here N is changed to caps and this M is also changed to caps. So whenever you are using this title method, so for simply in a word it will first change the first character into capital letter, and if any word is present with a numeric value, so it will change the very first character after the numeric to a capital one. So this is the function of this title method. Now let us go to this title. So one more thing, suppose for a homework you can try this one. What is the output of this? You can try at home. Suppose my string is, if I say WhatsApp, WhatsApp guys. So you can try this one. What will be the output in your system? So you will be learning few more things here in this string. So let us go in second method. The second method is title. So it will return. So it is also same like title method, but it doesn't take any parameters. But while returning, it returns either true for title case string, and if the string is not title case or the string is empty, it will simply return false. So if I take s1 equal to, for example, if I am taking same, suppose I am taking this string, my name is Khan, and if I print this one, s1 dot is title. So you can see here all the character of these words, the very first character are in a small letter, so it will simply print false. So you can see here. Now if I change this one to caps, the very first character, if I change to caps, you can see then it will print true. So you can see here it printed true, as every character of the word are in caps, not meme but name. And if I am using any numeric value between, so let us see the output what will happen. Suppose if I am using here hash, so you can see what is the output. Let me execute this one. So you can see here even we are using hash but the very first character is in caps, it is printing true. But if I am using, let me take one more example. If I am using, suppose instead of word I am using some numeric value, suppose I am using 100,000, so you can see here it will print true. So no matter whether it is a numeric or alphanumeric or alphabetic, if the very first character is in caps, it will print true, else it will print false. One more example. Suppose I am using here only one string, only one word, suppose Khan, all in caps, so it will simply print false. You can see here it printed false. So it only check whether the very first character is in caps or not. If I give here instead of Khan, like you can see here, if I give for this, it will simply print true. You can see here, you can see here it printed true. Now if I take a empty string, suppose, then it will simply print false. So you can see here, let me execute this one, it printed false. So these are the few example of each title. You can see here we have done all the experiment and for this title method. So these were the few examples of title and each title method. So you can use these two methods whenever required in the program. So if you like this video, please do give thumbs up and stay tuned for the next method. Thanks for watching.